Hey, English learners, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into an idiom that's all about being exactly right. Hit the nail on the head. So what does it mean to hit the nail on the head? It means you've given the perfect answer or done exactly what was needed. Just like hitting a nail perfectly, when you hit the nail on the head, you get it exactly right. For example, if you're in a meeting and someone says, "Our problem is that we need more resources," you might say, "You hit the nail on the head," because they've identified the exact issue.
You hit the nail right on the head.
That's it. That's it. You hit the nail on the head.
You hit the nail on the head, Mr. Gustav.
Yeah, you hit the nail on the head.
This idiom is used to show agreement when someone nails the answer or gives the best solution. It's super common and a great way to sound like a native speaker. A conversation example between two coworkers can be as follows. Coworker 1, "I think the reason our project was delayed is that we didn't have enough staff." Coworker 2, "You really hit the nail on the head with that one." So, the next time someone gets it exactly right, remember, you can tell them they hit the nail on the head. It's a perfect way to show appreciation for a spot-on idea. If you liked learning this idiom, check out the other videos in our idioms playlist. You'll find tons of useful expressions to help you sound like a pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new lesson.